Good morning, guys. Mr. Parisi here, and I wanted to do a little bit of review on elapsed time. So we're going to use the timeline method to figure out how much time has elapsed. So for my first question, these are just examples that should help you with your assignment today. So my first one, I'm starting at 8:30 a.m. and I'm going from 8:30 a.m. until 12:45 p.m. So the timeline method means where am I starting? 8:30 a.m. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to travel from here. And I want to get my minutes to match first. So my starting minutes are 30, and I want to get them to go to 45. So how do I get from 30 to 45? Well, that's going to be a total of 15 minutes. So I know I went 15 minutes. Now my new time is 8:45 a.m. Okay? From here, after you get your minutes to match, now I want my hours to match. So from 8 to 12, that's 4 hours. Okay? So that would be 4 hours. And now I'm at 12:45 p.m. We did it. So we could write our answer, 4 hours and 15 minutes. For my second question, it gets a little bit more difficult if my minutes go backwards. So not go backwards, but if I go from 30 to 15, it's like we're going down. Okay, but we know time can only move forward. So again, that timeline method, where am I starting? I'm starting at 6:30 a.m. and I want to get my minutes to match up. So you got to think about how your clocks work, how your time works, okay? If you need to piece it together. So I can't go straight from 30 to 15 with normal addition. But if you think about a clock resets every 60 minutes. So how do I get to my next hour? Well, if I add 30 minutes, so this is 30 minutes, that's going to get me from 6:30 a.m. to 7 o'clock a.m. Now I'm a little bit closer to making my minutes match up. How do I get to that 15 there? Oh, it's just another 15 minutes. Okay, my new time would be 7:15 a.m. Now that my minutes match, 7:15 and 15, I can go straight for my hours. And this is going to be from 7:15 to 11. That's going to be another 4 hours. So I can find my final answer this way. We're at 11:15 a.m. now. Okay, so how did I do that? I added 4 hours. And then I have 30 minutes plus 15 minutes is going to be 45 minutes. So this is one method to use. You don't need to use this method, but it's a great way of showing your work visually, and it helps you break down those jumps. So especially when your minutes go from 30 to 15, an example like that, go to that nearest whole hour first, and then add the remaining minutes there. So 30 and 15, again, got us that 45 minutes. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment on our post and try submitting your work through Google Classroom. Have a great day.